backwards, it looks like nothing. So I'll just show it to you on this because backwards, it looks like nothing. So you are my favorite person. You're the best just because the best is yet to come. Just a little note. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. Now, these are nice and large and in charge. Watch this. Let me show you the A2 card bases. These are on A2 card bases. This one says just a little note. So you can tell, look at, first of all, look at that. This is a step up card base that we have. Hang on, let me do this one. Look at this. Is that just, okay, folds flat for mailing. This is one of our step up card bases. But is that just like the most amazing, adorable card you've ever seen in your life? Now, here is another one. Oh, and notice those felt flowers. We're going to talk about those in a second. Here's another one. You are my favorite person with our hologram paper. Hologram paper. Here's another one. You're the best. Oh, on that octagon. Again, see that? On the octagon. Love it. Here's another one. Just because. This is on one of our other step-up cards. And here's another one. The best is yet to come, but watch this. What? It's a step-up, stand-up card. Isn't that awesome? So you can tell that these phrases are nice and large. For example, let me just tell you how much, what the size of this one is, just so you can get an idea. So this one is a little more than 3 inches by almost, let's see, by 3, a little over 3 inches, 3 by 3. So you can see that that is nice and large and in charge. Look how cute that is. The best is yet to come. You're going to use this with everything. So here I have the little moose. Here I have dragonflies and flowers. Here I have some more flowers. Here I have hologram paper. And here I have a Western theme. So you seriously are going to be able to use these for each and every, anything, right? Anything you will be able to use this one for. So again, this one is item number, because I don't think I told you already. This one is item number 925000. 925000. That's easy to remember, right? Now, just a heads up. Number one, yes, I'm taking all of these live on HSN. And the best part is I have lots more samples to show you. I can't do all of it in this little bit of time we have tonight, but I have lots more samples to show you. So stay tuned for that. They're going to knock your socks off. Also, the adhesive sheets are perfect for these words, because you don't want to try to add. Can you imagine trying to add a tape runner to the back of these? Not going to do well. Not going to do well. So use the adhesive sheets. Okay, boom. There it is. That is the best word dies. So we are going to grab this one and move this one off to the side. What is that one? Oh, I'm like moving everything around. Okay, next we have, what's next? This one. Okay, are you ready? I've been talking about stand-ups a lot, right? You've heard me say, oh, this one's a stand-up. Oh, this one's a stand-up. Stand-ups are awesome. And I have a little thing about stand-ups. So stand-ups obviously stand for display, but I use them for my friend test. What do you mean? Well, I like to give a stand-up to a friend, just for whatever reason, whatever. And then I like to go to their house like a week or two later, and I like to see if they have it on display, because it's perfect for, and here, let me show you one really quick. It's perfect for the mantle, a bookshelf, their countertop, wherever they put anything that they might, that they might display. So look how it stands up perfectly. It's like the perfect display card, right? Perfect for a photo, a little calendar, anything like that. So you will be able to find out how good of a friend they are if they've kept your card. So if they have not kept your card, or they do not have it on display, maybe they deserve not as great of a card next time. Just saying. But if they have it on display, you know they are a friend for life. They're going to keep it forever, and you know it, right? Well, let's jump into this one.